7 hacks to absorb information like a sponge. Hey there, super learner. Have you ever wished you could soak up information effortlessly, remembering every little detail with amazing clarity? Picture this, you devouring books, lectures, and even the toughest subjects like a high-powered supercomputer. Sounds awesome, right? In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 game-changing hacks that I've personally used to develop a mind like a steel trap. Ready? 1. Preview power. Before you dive deep into your study material, give it a quick skim. This sneak peek gets your brain ready for a deeper dive and helps you spot the key concepts. It's like getting a movie trailer before the full feature. 2. Active engagement magic. Surround yourself with brainy buddies or jump into lively discussions. Chatting with experts or your peers can supercharge your understanding and help you remember even the trickiest topics. It's like a knowledge party. 3. Output learning fun. Don't just sit there soaking up info. Give it back. Summarize what you've learned, teach it to someone else, or put it into practice. This retrieval process cements the knowledge in your brain. Sharing is caring and learning. 4. Break time boost. After intense learning sessions, take short breaks, 10 to 20 minutes. These little pauses help your brain lock in new info and keep you from feeling overloaded. Think of it as a mini vacation for your mind. 5. Interactive learning adventures. Dive into materials that make you participate, like quizzes or hands-on exercises. This active approach makes even the most complex subjects fun and memorable. Who said learning can't be an adventure? 6. Summarization superpower. After studying, jot down summaries of what you've learned. This not only reinforces your understanding, but also highlights any areas that need a bit more love. Plus, it's a great way to see how far you've come. 7. Focused study sessions. Zero in on specific topics instead of trying to learn everything at once. This targeted method helps you master each subject deeply. It's like focusing on one treasure at a time in a vast knowledge hunt. As you can see, by weaving these strategies into your study routine, you'll supercharge your ability to absorb and retain information like a pro. Okay, friends, thank you for joining me on this epic learning journey. Remember, every bit of effort you put into learning brings you one step closer to your dreams. Keep shining, keep learning, and let's make studying an adventure. Catch you in the next video, and happy studying!